how to make their most amazing homemade strawberry gelato using my Cuisinart machine. It's an ice cream and gelato and sorbet maker. It's a good one. So what you're going to need is 150 grams of caster sugar to start off. And then you're going to add in 500 grams of strawberries that have been washed and all the stalks removed, along with a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. And then you're going to blitz it very gently, otherwise you end up with strawberry juice all over you and everywhere else. Continue to pulp it down until it is a fairly smooth puree. Now in a saucepan, place 250 millilitres of whole milk. It does have to be proper whole milk. And then of course you add that gorgeous strawberry puree. Just stir it round gently. You do not want to boil the mixture, just gently heat it through. Then you will add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and just give it another stir. Take it off the heat, place into a bowl, and then you're going to add in 150 millilitres of double cream. You want to place this in the fridge for a while, 4 hours, and it will work, but overnight is even better. And once it's cooled down, it's now time to use the machine. I have had this Cuisinart for around about 10 years, I kid you not. It has been fantastic. You get 2 different paddles with it. One is a gelato paddle and the other is an ice cream paddle. So I'm just using the gelato paddle and I'm placing the mixture in, as you can see there. Now this can take anywhere up to 50 minutes to an hour, but gradually it gets thicker and thicker and you have the most wonderful ice cream that you can then put into a tub and freeze. It does take a little bit of a freeze, I would say, to firm it up a bit more, but I use this wonderful Cuisinart machine, which I will link in the bio, not just in the spring and summer, no, at Christmas time I get asked to make so much ice cream for people to go with their puddings and desserts. But it is a fantastic machine. As you can see there, I'm just spreading it out into the tub before I place it in the freezer for a little bit longer. Now, I can't just leave it there once it's frozen. Nope, I've got to go a little bit extra. So I am putting this wonderful strawberry gelato with another one of my favourite things, meringue. It is absolutely delicious with chunks of meringue. Oh, and let's be fancy. Let's pop a sprig of mint on top. But as for the machine and the recipe, I can recommend them both.